Hey everybody, it's Bill here with the MileMarker team. Just wanted to take a few moments to give you an overview of the new features that are going to be available starting Tuesday, October 11th as part of our new version of MileMarker. When you log in for the first time, you're going to see your list of projects. And by going into one of the projects, you're going to be presented with the idea queue. The idea queue shows all ideas that have been added to MileMarker that are not added to your roadmap yet though. More on the roadmap in just a moment. First, I want to share this great new feature that we've got called Smart Score. Smart Score now puts a score on every single idea based on ratings, votes, comments, the time that it's been in the system, all these other great actions that are happening on your ideas, so that if you sort by the Smart Score, you now are going to get a sense of what ideas are really rising to the top and which ones you should maybe be paying attention to. On that note there, we've got this new concept of the roadmap. This is probably one of our biggest changes and one of our most exciting changes in this latest version. When you're in your project view, you will see this tray at the bottom of the screen that's persistent in the experience. And there's this concept now of drag and drop, putting ideas onto your roadmap. So as you'll see here, if this is an idea that I want on my roadmap, I simply grab it, and I can drop it to create a new mile marker, or I can put it on an existing mile marker. Now you might be asking, what exactly is a mile marker? A mile marker is simply a collection of ideas that you might want to work on together. So now that I've created a set of mile markers, you're also going to notice that we have a concept of statuses. So when they're placed on the roadmap for the very first time, ideas are given a status of schedule. We also have the concept then of taking items that are scheduled and starting them. And by starting them, we turn the mile marker and all of the ideas within it to in progress. And of course, this is the point where you might be managing your project in some other type of project management tool. However, when all of those items are complete, come back into mile marker, and now there's the option then to set that mile marker status as complete. And if you do that, the mile marker and all of the ideas inside of it are then marked as completed. So we have greater control over what's actually getting done as part of your projects. Finally, I do want to speak a little bit more about the roadmap. We do also have a more visual view, so it's not just the tray in terms of how you view and manage your roadmap. If you go to the Roadmaps tab, you'll see that there's a roadmap for each of your projects. There's some visual indication of the mile markers and the ideas within each of the statuses. And if we go and view the roadmap, you're now going to see all of the ideas listed out by status. So for example, we're now seeing all of the ideas that are in progress and currently being worked on. We're seeing all of them that are scheduled to be worked on in the future. And of course, there's still a way to get to those that have already been completed. I've got to say, our team is extremely excited about these updates and some of the new capabilities in MileMarker. It truly is the simplest way to manage your product roadmap, and we're excited to get everybody using it. So Tuesday, October 11th, it's going to be live, and we're really excited to hear everybody's feedback. So please, we're here to help. Drop us a line at support@getmilemarker.com. Thanks, everybody.